Are you planning to launch a branded food delivery app just like Swiggy, Zomato, or Uber Eats? At Royo Apps, we present Swiggy Clone. It's an advanced food ordering, delivery, and takeaway solution like Swiggy to build, manage, and grow your food delivery business online. Before that, if you're just planning to start your food delivery business online and need anything like a well-set business plan, industry guide, market research report, compelling investor pitch deck, download it for free from the link in description. So let's begin with the demo. Let's start with the customer ordering website. So here you can see there are three different categories that are delivery, dine-in and takeaway. Under delivery comes those restaurants that offer home delivery services. Under dine-in are those restaurants who are open to table booking and you can just book a table at any particular time or slot you like. Under takeaway are those restaurants that don't offer delivery and dine-in services, but you can still order their food and take it away yourself. And below that you can see there's different food categories such as continental beverages, Italian desserts, etc. Below the categories you can see different floating banners that also serve as an additional source of revenue for the admins. Under that you can see there are different restaurants or the different vendors that have registered on the platform, and beneath that you can see the different food items or the featured products. You can directly order them from by here itself. And at the last you can see different brands that are offering their services on the platform. Let me show you how can you place an order from the website. Let's say if I want to order this dish, I select the quantity, I select the variant, like if I want it half, full, and I'll add it to cart. So you can see the item has been moved to my cart. Coming to the cart, as a customer I can select the address to which I want the food to be delivered to. I can check the complete order details. In case the customer has any promo code, he can apply the same by clicking on select a promo code option, and after verifying everything just click on place order. Now you can select you can choose from different payment options such as cash on delivery or Stripe. Let's say I select cash on delivery and click on place order. Let's get started with the live demo of the admin panel of this Uber Eats Clone Tech solution. So from the admin panel, the admin gets a complete access, or he can manage everything that happens on the customer application, delivery agent application, or the dispatcher panel. Let's start with the dashboard. Dashboard gives the admin a bird's eye view of the entire platform and his ongoing business stats. Like he can keep a track of total number of pending orders, active orders, number of orders that have been successfully delivered, total number of orders cancelled by the customers, total number of vendors, total number of products and categories being offered on the platform, number of banners, promotions being run, total number of brands, and total number of return requests generated by the customers. Below that, he can view the AI-based sales analytics reports. He can filter that on the yearly, weekly, or monthly basis to track the ongoing process and what all is happening in the current scenario of the business. Below that comes the revenue by location. Like admin can check which location business is running successfully in and which particular location needs more attention. And here you can see the orders based on the top categories. Like he can see the continental and Japanese. He's getting mostly orders from these two particular categories. Coming to the order section, here the admin can see the total number of pending orders, active orders, and check the order history. And the pending orders are the orders that have been placed from the customer website and the customer application respectively. The admin can accept or reject the order. In case he clicks on the accept button, the order will move from the pending to the active section. Also, the admin can view the order history to keep check on the complete orders. Moving forward to the vendor section, here admin can view the data for all the vendors that have registered on the platform. Here you can see the total number of vendors, total number of open vendors, total number of products the vendors are offering, and total active orders they currently have. In the active section are those vendors. Inactive section are those vendors who are currently active on the platform and are offering their services. In the awaiting approval are those vendors who have tried to register on the platform but their approval is still pending from the admin side. Also, the admin can block any vendor from the platform at any time. In order to add a vendor, the admin has to just click on the add button. He can upload the logo for the vendor, upload the banner image, enter the vendor names, enter in description, enter his email, phone number, address. He can also set his website and click on submit. From here, you can select the different ordering options that vendor would be offering. Like if he would be offering dine-in, so you can choose that using this toggle button and submit. Coming to the accounting section, here the admin can view accounting details for 5 different categories that are orders, loyalty cards, promo codes, taxes and vendors. In the orders section, he can view the account details for all the orders that have been placed, like what was the total order value, total number of orders that have been placed till now, total cash to be collected, total delivery fees. You can filter this data for any particular time interval. You can filter the data on the basis of vendors and the order status. And also you can view this data by simply clicking on the export CSV button, and the data would be downloaded as a CSV file. Similarly, the admin can manage the accounting details for the loyalty cards and promo codes. In the taxes section, the admin can view the type of taxes applied. Like there are different taxes such as VAT, GST. You can view the total types of taxes applied and total tax that has to be collected for the same. And in the vendors, he can view the accounting details for the vendor, like the total order value, total delivery fees, and what is the total admin commission he has earned. Moving to the subscription section, the admin can run and manage different subscription plans respectively for the customers and the vendors. For the customers, the admin can add and manage different subscription plans such as silver, bronze, gold, platinum. You can manage these plans by clicking on the edit button. You can upload the plan image, change the plan name, select the features or the benefits that the customer would get if he purchases this plan, set the plan price and frequency, enter in description for the same and click on submit. In order to add a new plan, the admin just has to click on the add plan button. Now you can upload the image for the plan and fill in all the attributes required. Likewise, the admin can manage subscription plans for the vendors. Coming to the customer section, from here the admin can manage data of each and every customer who has registered on the customer application. Also, he can manage the data for the vendors or the restaurants that have registered on the platform. Here, as an admin, you can see the total active user account, or this is the total number of customers that have downloaded and registered on the customer application. This is the inactive user account, and this is the number of customers that have registered using their social media logins. So you can see this is the customer we have registered from the customer application. So admin can view the customer name, login, his email ID, his phone number, the OTPs, and what amount he has in wallet, total number of orders he has placed, any number of active orders he has or not. After customers, let's come to the profile section. From the profile section, the admin can manage his profile, such as he can set the logo that would appear on the admin panel or the website. You can set the name, email, contact number, company address, company name, select the country of residence, select the time zone. From the customize section, the admin can toggle between the light theme and the dark theme. You can view and update the date and time format. You can define and update the localization, like what is the primary language and currency. Also, you can add additional languages and currencies. You can set the custom domain. You can add social media logins. You can set the nomenclature. or simply he can view and update the naming. From the styling section, the admin can change the styling or the appearance of the app and the website. Like from the app styling section, he can change the font styles, he can select the color themes, he can change the tab bar style. Any changes he makes will be reflected in the customer application. Similarly, from the web styling section, the admin can upload the fav icon, select the color theme of the website. He can showcase the age restriction pop-up, and he can manage what all will be displayed on the website. He can select whether he has to show the dark mode or not, select the home page style. Likewise, he can make any changes required. Coming to the CMS or the content management system, from here the admin can control the content or everything that would be displayed on these pages. Like he can manage the content for different pages, what content would be displayed on the vendor registration page, what content would be displayed in the privacy policy, terms and conditions. Likewise, he can manage what content would be there in the emails whenever a new vendor signs up, or what content would be displayed in the verify email or the forgot password email. And similarly, you can manage the content that would be displayed for different notifications, like for whenever a customer places an order, the current live status of the order, refund status, etc. From the catalog section, the admin can manage categories, add variants to that particular categories, and add a new brand to the platform. So here you can see different categories that are already live on the platform. In order to add a new category, the admin just has to click on the add button. Now he can upload the category icon, select the category image, enter the URL slug, select any parent category to which that particular category would belong to. Enter the category name, set the meta title, meta description, enter the meta keywords and click on submit. Plus, the admin can set that whether that category would be visible in the menu section, whether that category would be visible in the wish list. Likewise, the admin can set different variants for the category, like quantity, small, medium, large, etc. And lastly, the admin can add different brands to the platform by clicking on the add button. Here you can upload the brand logo, brand banner, select the category to which that particular brand would belong to, enter the brand title and click on submit. In the configuration section, the admin can enable or set the different configurations for the restaurants or the vendors. Like you can enable the location based visibility of the vendors and set that default location by clicking on this enable button. Also, you can enable the last mile delivery and integrate this with the dispatcher panel. You can manage the different social logins. You can manage the map configuration, SMS configuration, mail configuration. You can set the fire-based notification configuration. You can set the user authentication process. You can set what services the vendors would be offering, select custom modes, set the vendor registration process and add vendor registration documents, select refer and earn process, and manage distance to time calculator. From the tax settings, the admin can add a new tax category and set the tax rate. From the payments option section, the admin can enable or disable different payment options that are displayed on the customer application, like cash on delivery, PayPal, Stripe, Paystack, Payfast, etc. Also, the admin can add a new payment gateway to the platform. Whenever the admin enables any payment options from here, the same would be reflected on the customer application. And to enable any payment option, he has to enter the username, password, and the signature. And lastly, coming to the marketing section, the admin can run and manage different marketing tools such as banners, promo codes, and loyalty cards. Let's start with the banners. The admin can add different banners that also serve as an additional source of revenue for the admins, as they can charge fees, the advertising free from the vendors for displaying their banner on the website and the mobile application. So here you can see there are different banners that are currently live and to which particular category they belong to. In order to add a new banner, the admin just has to click on the add button. Now he can upload the banner image, enter the name for the banner, select the start date to end date for which the banner would be valid, and he can assign the banner to any category or the vendor. Likewise, the admin can manage promo codes. In order to add a new promo code, the admin has to click on the add button. Now he can select the promo code image, enter the title, set the description for the promo code, select the promo code type, like whether it's percentage discount or fixed amount, enter the amount, set the expiry date, select the features such that whether that promo code would allow free delivery, whether it is applicable to first delivery only, who would be the promo code bearer, whether it would be the admin or the vendor, what is the minimum account, maximum amount, limit per user, etc. Lastly, the admin can manage loyalty cards or the loyalty points that are served that act as a tool in order to maintain the customer retainability. In order to add a loyalty card, the admin just has to click on the add button. Now he can upload the loyalty card image, enter the loyalty card name, set the minimum points that are required to achieve the loyalty points, set the description, set the earnings per order, and set the order amount that is required to earn one loyalty card point. So this is how the admin panel of this Uber Eats solution works. If as the admin you want to switch to the dispatcher panel, you can simply do that by clicking on this pick up and deliver dashboard, and after that you will be directed to the dispatcher panel from where you can manage the deliveries. In order to view the detailed demo video of this dispatcher panel, you can check out this video. So let's get started with the customer ordering app you get in this Uber Eats clone solution. First of all, the app would ask the access to your location. Moving to the account section, you can log in or sign up by clicking on the login option. Now, if you are a first-time user, you can sign up using different sign-up options, such as you can continue using your Google account. You can sign up using different social media logins like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Let's say if I want to create a new account, I'll just simply click on create new account. Now as a customer, I can enter my credentials such as my name, email, my phone number, and the password I want to set for the app. So you can see the new account has been created. Now as a customer, I can manage my wallet by clicking on the wallet option. Now you can see that available balance is 0. In order to add money, this app has an inbuilt wallet integration. So if a customer wants to add money to his wallet, he just has to click on the add money button. So this app has an inbuilt wallet integration. So if a customer wants to add money to his wallet, he can select from different payment methods such as Stripe, debit card, credit card, etc. Let's say if I want to add money using my Stripe account. This app has an inbuilt wallet. In simple words, if a customer wants to add money to his app wallet, he can do that from multiple payment options, like he can add money by using his credit card, debit card, Paytm, Stripe, PayPal, etc. These payment options are set by the admin from the admin panel. Let's say if I want to add 5,000 to the wallet, I'd select the amount, I'll enter the card details. So you can see the payment is successful and the money has been added to the wallet. Now coming back to the home. On the home screen, you can find different ordering options of delivery, dine-in, takeaway, similar to that you have already seen in the website. Below that are the top brands and different categories such as continental beverages, Italian, desserts, etc. In the Explore Vendor section, you can find a list of all the listed restaurants and vendors. Moving forward, you can see the featured product section and the newly added products. You can order any product by directly clicking from here itself. Lastly are the on-sale products, or the ones on whom customers are getting discounts and offers. Let's see and understand the ordering process. The customer can go to any particular restaurant from the Explore Vendor section, or select an item from the offers and recently added product section. Let's say if I want to order hot chocolate, I can add to the cart by clicking on the add button. Now I can choose the variant. So the order has been successfully moved to the cart. Coming to the cart section, the customer can select the delivery address. So now they can search for their location on the GPS or the Google Maps, and they can enter the complete address details. If the customer has any promo code, they can apply the same by clicking on the apply promo coupons. They can enter special instructions for the restaurant or the delivery agent. Let me quickly take you through the driver app or the delivery agent app of the Uber Eats clone solution. It's an easy to use application for the drivers that allows them to accept or reject the orders as per their availability, keep a track of their earnings and orders. The delivery agent can log into the app using the login credentials that have been provided to them by the admin or the respective vendors. As I already have registered as a delivery agent, so I'll simply enter my phone number and click on login. Now the OTP would be sent to the phone number the delivery agent has entered. On entering the received OTP and once the OTP has been verified, the agent would be redirected to the home screen of the delivery agent application. Here you can see a detailed list of all the tasks he has for today. You can view the task in detail by clicking on the same. Now he can view the customer details, the total cash that has to be collected, the pickup and drop off location. You can view the entire task history from the all tasks section. In the task history section, he can also view the total amount he has to collect. Also, he can keep a track of the total revenue he has earned to the platform and the total distance he has traveled. You can view the data for the task for any particular date or particular time interval from the select the date option. He can manage his profile from the profile section, like he can update his name, phone number, or the transportation mode through which he is offering his services, enter the model number or the license plate of his vehicle. Also, the delivery agent can access this inbuilt GPS feature to reach the pickup and drop off location seamlessly. This is how the delivery agent app of this Uber Eats clone solution works.